Ka Business Advisory Committee ka step arphodrek Lamphang ajar penriau kala syem Meghalaya ban Pynsangeh ya borok kikam kibadai ban penya chikman ha ka sngi basan ke Dorbar mang tengka chong ka yeng Dorbar thawan ke jela menta ka sngi kum ke jingburom ya ke jingklat no Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkan MP Lok Sabha Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ubala khlat no akamiet karknai trek Lamphang ajar penriau H Gordon Robert Hospital Shillong Thomas A. Sangma, Lamphang Gayeng, but Chairman of Advisory Committee, hading ke Jingkren bekerki, laong beberapa kikam kibadiban syem mendagasngi ke Dorbar, la Pynsangeh, but penyai Tang ke Jingkren Sngewlem, hapo Gayeng.
Emergency meeting of the Business Advisory Committee took place this morning at 9:30 to take decision on the sudden demise of our number one Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Member of Parliament who passed away last night, Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkan, and the PAC had received the consent of the government since it was the day scheduled for having the budget presentation today. So we had to seek the consent of the government, and the government has given us consent to adjourn the house for today. And the revised calendar is being prepared, and which will be presented on Monday with the sense of the house. Then I can announce you the exact calendar, the revised calendar of the house. Most probably it will be carried over to the next day, which is coming Monday.
Will there be any obituary reference in the house?
Yes, there will be an obituary reference in the house today, after which the house will be adjourned for the day in honor and respect of the departed soul.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya